Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Kia Forte trunk without key. Use the cabin emergency trunk release or fold rear seats to reach the trunk quickly and safely. I will walk you through locating the release, manipulating seat latches, and using the emergency key blade if your fob stores one. Stay with me for clear steps, easy tips to avoid damage, and safety reminders so you can regain access calmly and confidently. Begin by positioning yourself in the rear passenger area and locating the seat release latch. Fold the rear seat down using the pull tab, creating an access opening to the trunk. Reach through and feel for the trunk latch or emergency release handle and pull it toward you firmly. Move slowly to avoid snagging upholstery and keep a flashlight handy for visibility. These simple steps let you enter the trunk without the external key. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for all-day comfort and durability, great for wrenching or roadside work. I link their deal in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use a bright flashlight and protect your hand with a glove before reaching into the trunk area. If the emergency release feels stuck, apply gentle wiggling rather than brute force to avoid breaking the latch or trim. Check for obstructions like cargo or folded seat catches that might block access. When mechanical failure or broken components prevent safe entry, call roadside assistance or a dealership for professional help to avoid causing further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.